How to open N26 bank account in France. N26 is a German digital bank that offers mobile banking services, including free current accounts, debit cards, money transfers, and premium plans. It operates mainly in Europe, fully licensed, and provides secure. First, go to N26 website. Now here you see different types of facilities N26 Bank provides. Click on Saving. Now in this page you'll need to add in your personal information along with your contact number. Now, after you fill in the information, click on Save and Continue. In the next page you need to provide your date of birth, your social security number, and your address. Now if you scroll down you can also select country of residence. After you fill in the information, click on Save and Continue. Now in this page, review your information. If everything is correct, click on Save and Continue. If all of this information is correct, then you can simply click on the Apply button. That's it. Thanks for watching.